Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can start investing on Robinhood for beginners. Now to start investing with Robinhood, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Also make sure that you already have an account. Now if you don't have an account, then you cannot begin with the procedure. Now along with that, there are some criteria you need to follow when you actually are investing on Robinhood. So first of all, you'll have to create an account and you'll have to have some certain amounts or funds, or that you already have a linked bank account whatsoever. Now all you need to be is 18 years or older, have a valid social security number and a US address. If you're new to investing, start with a small amount of money you're okay with losing, and then stick to stocks and EFTs as well. Now before you do this procedure, make sure that you take help of an expert or a professional. Only then begin with the investing platform. As of my knowledge, now investing is one of the riskiest market. Make sure that you're familiar with the Robinhood interface. So in that way, you can start investing on Robinhood for beginners. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.